Hi viewers, I'm Advocate Haritha. Welcome back to my channel. Every day most of us are spending our time in online by doing many things such as shopping, learning, playing, gaming, banking, etc. We do many things in online. In the same way, we can also use online to resolve the disputes. You may be getting doubt, how is it possible? Yes, it is possible through online dispute resolution process. This is our topic today. Every year, millions of cases were being filed by the people in the courts. As the number of cases are increasing day by day, pendency is also increasing. And with the pandemic situation, it is getting more delay as the physical appearance in the courts is also not possible and is not good and safe as well. So, in order to avoid that, we need some other alternate option. This online dispute resolution is the best option to adopt. Nowadays, people are even showing interest to adopt online dispute resolution mechanism as this is more convenient and easy process. Before going into the details of what is online dispute resolution process, initially we will know what is a dispute in legal terms. Dispute in legal terms is a disagreement between parties or two or more members or between the groups in regard to the terms and conditions which are already agreed by them or about to agree. How to resolve these disputes? Generally, disputes can be resolved in two ways. One is judiciary process, that is with the interference of the courts, and the other one is alternative dispute resolution process, out of court settlement. This alternative dispute resolution process is mainly of four types: arbitration, mediation, conciliation, and negotiation. We will discuss in detail about arbitration, mediation, conciliation, and negotiation in our another video. Today we will discuss online dispute resolution process. How this alternative dispute resolution process is relevant to online dispute resolution process also we will discuss. Online dispute resolution process is a mechanism used to resolve the disputes through electronic communication and technology. By adopting alternative dispute resolution methods or tools, that is by using arbitration, mediation, conciliation and negotiation, disputes can be resolved through online. Before going to approach this online dispute resolution process or before adopting this online dispute resolution process, one has to decide which ADR method to adopt. That is, you want to go with arbitration or mediation or conciliation or negotiation, you have to decide. The decision can be taken depending on the type of problem or nature of the dispute which has arose. Now we will know what are the conditions favorable for the advent of ODR. First one is an exponential increase in digital penetration amongst all classes of people. That is, everyone became familiar and using technology and online methods. So it is very easy and convenient approach to follow by many of them. Second one is verbal support of higher judiciary system. Even the higher judiciary system is also supporting to adopt ODR methods by the people because they can reduce the burden on the courts and it is also convenient for the people. Even the Reserve Bank of India and National Payments Commission of India have also taken steps to adopt ODR process by the people regarding to the digital payments area. With all these factors, it gave boost to the people to adopt ODR procedures. And even the pandemic situation also pressed people to adopt this ODR process as this is convenient and easy method. Now we will see what kind of disputes can be resolved through ODR. All civil and commercial disputes can be resolved through ODR, but criminal cases cannot be resolved through ODR as of now. Apart from civil and commercial, employment related disputes, workplace related disputes, tenancy matters, property related matters, family matters, telecom, housing, banking related, property related matters, intellectual property rights can also be resolved through ODR process. It is the only mechanism which was not affect due to pandemic COVID-19. ODR delivers justice at your doorstep. As it is more convenient, you can choose time and date as per your convenience. Now we will see how does this ODR works. This ODR works in two ways, by ODR clause and non-ODR clause. So first we will see what is ODR clause. ODR clause means at the time of execution of agreement, parties need to incorporate ODR clause in the agreement. Later, if the dispute arises, they can adopt directly this ODR mechanism, or else they have to go to the courts. Non-ODR clause means at the time of execution of the document, the parties will not incorporate this ODR provision. Later, if the dispute arises and one party refuses to adopt ODR, they cannot implement ODR mechanism as it is not incorporated in the agreement. No option will be left over to them except going to court. Now, many of you might get question that whether this ODR resolution is legally enforceable or not. Yes, the ODR resolution is legally enforceable when both parties agree and sign the document. It is equivalent to the judgment of the civil court. Here everyone has to understand two things. First one is what is the dispute and how the dispute has arisen, how the solution can be found. Second one is parties should have a proper channel to approach in order to resolve the dispute. In order to develop the trust of the consumers, disputes can be resolved through basic mobile phone and landline as well, which means it is not mandatory or compulsory to have smartphones and internet connection with everyone. Without internet connection and smartphone also, you can resolve the disputes. As in remote areas, many people might not have smartphones or internet, even though the people from remote areas also can resolve the disputes through online. Now we have discussed all these things today, and in our another video, we will discuss what are the advantages and disadvantages of ODR, what is the process of ODR. This online dispute resolution process topic is divided into two parts. So this is our first part, and second part will be coming for you soon. Be in touch, wait for the second part to know more information about online dispute resolution process. Please do like, share and comment. If any of you have not subscribed my channel still, please subscribe for more videos and more legal information. Thanks for watching my video.